So what's up YouTube? I hope all are doing fine, and let's jump into the video. Okay, so in this video I'm teaching you about what is the use of do command. Do command is the abbreviation of the do command will be disk usage. Okay, so it is used to display the disk usage of a particular folder or directory or a particular like directories like um, particular file or particular directory or a particular what a location where there is a more files, then you need to see the way the utilization is taken high. That is how we use disk usage command. Okay, let me see if there is an talk. Okay, let me create one directory that will be dar like that. Okay, let me use du and dar command. It will display the total number of size it is taking. If it is not displaying, let's go inside dar, then create some folders, file like that, then do ls. You will see many files, but it will not end in .txt. Don't worry about that, it will come back. Then you use du, what the file name that will be, you use du, the file name will be dar. Then you can check the size, and that would be 0. Okay, let's go inside some this and add some more, nano as. Okay, and something. Okay, then save it, then come back. Okay, what do, you go back. Now you use du command and you use the directory name that will be dar, and you will check. So it has a 4 size. The size will be in the byte size. Okay, so we entered some string into a file, right? So that string contain 4 bytes of data. It will be having 4 bytes of data. That's all. Okay, so if you use if you use -h, that will be in the form of human readable. You can see 4.0 k, that will be kilobytes or kb, like that. Okay, that is the what use of du-h, that will be human readable. Let's say if you use -s. So -s is basically to display only the total size of a specified directories and its subdirectories. If you use enter, then it will display only the size of a particular file. Or instead of using -s, you can also use double hyphen summarize. Summarize, you can also use summarize. That will also summarize command is not found, I guess. Summarize, sorry, I missed it here. Summarize, that will also display the same thing. Okay, the next thing that I'm showing is that using du-d. So -d is basically to set the maximum depth. Okay, if I specify maximum depth will be 2, and if I specify the directory, that will set the maximum depth. You can limit the depth of a directory by using -d. Okay, so next thing that I'm showing is that using exclude. So I don't really see anything that will do with this command, this argument using exclude. Okay, du exclude. Let's see, node, by default it adds something, modules, and dot will be the current directory. Okay, it's saying there is a dot directory that will be that will be in every directory that has 4 bytes, and which has dar folder that has 4 kilobytes. Okay, so if you need this disk usage in what you can also see, like if you come back, you can also, if you do du, you can also check like this also, because it has many folders in this particular directory, right? You can also check there is 120 bytes in here and 4 bytes, 20 bytes, like that, disk usage. Okay, so let me go into important. Now I need to sort it. Okay, sort output by size. If you use du -h human readable, and use pipe command and sort by human readable, then it will display that 4.0 kilobytes. The dot folder, as dot folder will be hidden, you can't see this because it is the hidden folder. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, if you don't know how to use the do command, then you can use help, and that will show what and all the arguments that can be used. See, there is many arguments that which I showed you, that will be human readable, and P for non deference, sorry, S to summarize, and T for threshold is equal to size, and time, and X to exclude. Okay, this particular file, and say the file size, exclude this particular file and say the file size. Okay, let me use this. Okay, let me show you an example for this. Okay, there is two files in here, that will be, there is many files. Okay, what I do now, I use this one, du, then I will paste this, that will be exclude, then I will use dar, exclude this one, then print it. Okay, maybe it's not working, I guess. Okay, let me specify file name, file1.txt, then without okay, permission denied, let me use sudo password. Okay, so excluding this file1.txt, it is printing all the size. Okay, that is how it works, exclude. Okay, you can also check the version with this, and the people who wrote the code for this do command. Okay, that is all up guys, and thank you for watching, and bye.